We spent 21 days in India traveling to 10 different cities by car, plane, train, boat, and rickshaw. India is a most amazing place for sights, sounds, fascinating religious ceremonies, and wildlife safaris. Highlights included visiting the Taj Mahal, tiger safaris in 2 national parks, the Sikh Golden Temple, the Beatles Ashram, the sacred Ganges River, and I can't leave off the yummy food. We also enjoyed shopping and people watching in Delhi's Old Market and various markets in other cities. We were treated royally by our guides and drivers in each city. The people we met were kind and welcoming. Enjoy each episode.
First-class train. The train ride is 7 hours, and it's cozy. It's fine.
There's Paul and Wendy. Bill and Ruth.
20 also. The same price. Oh,
how much?
50.
How many?
Yeah, that's gonna be more.
What do you want, Bill? What do you think? I was gonna get this. They're 20, 20,
20,
20, 50, 20.
Here we are about halfway to Haridwar, and we're at the train station Ambala. Tonight we're going to an Aarti, a ceremony. Go ahead.
We have 3 major gods, which is called God, God. Generator, operator, and destroyer. Generator is Brahma. He's a creator. So before born, till the born.
Yes.
Once you deliver.
Yes.
It's written by Brahma, because that time everything is written. Where you'll go, what you eat, about your marriage, everything is already decided, which is we call it's already decided, destiny.
Yes.
Then from delivered to end, it's a chapter belongs to Vishnu. He's a creator. He look after for our clothes, food, everything. And then destroyer or over is Shiva. Destroyer means basically restart. So after the death, to reincarnating in the middle is about Shiva. He will decide you are going to be reincarnated or now you are free from this cycle.
I'm about to touch the sacred Ganga.
Ruth is touching the Ganga.
Okay, Bill, your turn.
Anciently, 7 different branches of the Ganges River flowed through here, and there were 7 wise men or sages that were here, and they built an ashram at this location. Describe what that line you said about what an ashram is.
Simple living, high thinking.
Simple living, high thinking.
And high thinking. The city is called Haridwar, and the particular town is called Kankal.
Okay. Kankal is part of
Kankal,
Haridwar?
the part of Haridwar.
Okay.
One of the famous Shiva temples called Daksha Mahadev temple. This is dedicated to Shiva's love. Okay. Shiva is the main god.
Here we are entering one more ashram. here in Haridwar before we head to Rishikesh.
In the ancient time, if I talk about 10,000, 15,000 years since that, or more than that, ashram was our institution, schools. We are not for the boarding and other schools. We used to go to the Anand ashram. Lord Rama, Krishna, they also went to the Anand ashram. So this is the free food for everyone, like you went to the Golden Temple.
Yes.
It's similar like that. So people, they come and they sit here and have a basic meals. The rice, dal, chapati, vegetable, buttermilk, porridge. This will be the...
And others cannot help you even a little bit. Therefore, do not look towards others. Help yourself.
Oh my gosh.
Get him too.
All right.
Here we are, we've arrived in Rishikesh.
We had chocolate in our room.
We had chocolate in our room, and look at the view from our balcony.
The sacred Ganga, otherwise known as the Ganges.
This city was made famous in 1968, February 1968. Beatles came and spent 4 to 6 weeks here with a yogi.
So what do you think of Rishikesh?
This is amazing.
Okay,
Huh? It's got a vibe to it.
Oh my gosh.
Does it?
Yeah.
It does. I'm telling you. I love this place.
Yeah, this is...
We're going to take this boat across the Ganges to the other side where they're going to have the ceremony tonight.
Anu, can you smile too? Okay, ready, set. Thank you. We're going to cross the Ganges from this dock over to a prayer ceremony, a very famous international one that I forget the name of.
Just described that Rishikesh, where we're at the downtown area, is the center of yoga, the founding location of yoga.
60,000 long. That's why Shiva.
This morning at the hotel, Ruth, Becky, and I did 1 hour of yoga at the hotel. I'll probably be very sore tomorrow.
It is believed that Vishnu landed here, Vishnu happened here, and asked him, I want to bless you. Do you have any wish? So that sage replied to him, God, I don't want anything. I don't want money, I don't want nothing. But I just want to be free from this cycle of life. Million years we have to travel in each shapes.
This part of Rishikesh was founded in the 1890s.
I think bangles Our Becky's addiction.
This video? Yeah. Alright, Bill, can you step to the side just to
Did you buy
Bill,
some too?
Can you step to the side?
Yeah, I'll just take pictures.
Bill, go ahead and
Ready,
use the
set,
urinal.
Go. Thank you. Let's see if I
They're pressing the sugar cane to get the sweetness out.
recycle?
Yeah, they're done by old and heavy piece are unique and different. You can't find same but different.
So they're all unique.
Unique because they are
handmade.
handmade and they recycle. They're made by old clothes.
Who makes them?
The women, the men, and the villages.
In Rishikesh?
No, far from here.
Far from here, in the little villages.
Villages.
Very beautiful.
This is the original footbridge over the Ganges River in Rishikesh. It is no longer open, but they're constructing a new one here. The next closest walking bridge over the Ganges is maybe a couple miles to my right. We've got a little private boat here to cross the Ganges and go up the river just a little bit. Hello.
Hello. Let's ride on the Ganga.
Ganga. Here comes Anu, our guide, behind Wendy. Here we go, skipping stones on the Ganga River.
Ganga in Rishikesh.
Here we are at the Freedom Cafe. Veggie burgers, lasagna, lentil sprout burger, and what's that?
Double chocolate cake.
And lassi, my new favorite drink.
We're in a Jeep, going across town, heading to the ashram where the Beatles were.
Namaste.
After eating at the Freedom Cafe.
अगर आपने से बात भी करा ना तो आपण या फील होगा की अपने लिए कुछ एकदम कटसी वालो इंसान और आपण का साधा सेफ.
The local name of this ashram is called Chaurasi Kutia. Chaurasi is called for 84. Okay, and Kutia is called for domes or hut. 84 domes or 84 cottages, like for of meditation.
That one was missing. And this is where you live. You have your bed, shower, toilet. And what more could you want?
Chaurasi Kutia Ashram. Maharishi Mahesh Yogi established this ashram in 1961. Many famous people, including the Beatles, came here to practice transcendental meditation.
Are by Paul Salzman from Canada.
Here are pictures of the Beatles and others in the very place where we are here in Rishikesh. This building was actually constructed about 8 years after the Beatles were here. Constructed in the early 1960s, this building housed the Beatles, Mike Love, Donovan, and the Farrow sisters, along with other international guests.
There's the steps.
Everything is fair in this crazy dimension.
So if you want to see, just go on that side and you can see the chambers. But go carefully and slowly. Maybe somebody is there to say hi, hello. Couples.
42 chambers on this side and 42 on the other side. Little locations for them to do meditation.
So basically the 84 chambers represent the different postures, different asanas of a complete human life or human. Postures are also like your eating style, your sitting style, your walking style, your sleep, means your different activities which is going to be performed. So those all are totally together are 84.
Okay.
And that's
there are 84 caves or chambers inside this building.
All the postures of human.
Okay. Constructed in the late 1960s, this building was the residence of Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. The location was specifically selected because from here one could hear the soothing sound of the Ganga throughout the day. There's the monkeys meditating at the Beatles Ashram. All you need is love. We just came back from the Beatles Ashram and exited here.